Hi everyone, I'm Marinel Elpedes from BPED 3B. As I've watched the video lecture about the dilemma of diversity, which talks about the discrimination, there are three main points that I can get from it. First is, we have all differences in life, which means that in our beliefs, culture, and traditions, we differ from each other. But then, the only thing we can do is to respect and to accept those beliefs and cultures that they have. And in discriminating, we all know that discrimination is been part of our society, because there are some people who become a bullied, or who has been bullied by others, but then we can take an action from it, and we can make it as a challenge for us. And third is in doing our best just to take our roles, and for us to uplift those people who have been discriminated by other people, and for us also to encourage them and be part of them, that we are all experiencing discrimination, and there are two realizations that I can get from it. We need to respect one's diversity, and we need to love each other. And we all know that diversity is an integral part of our life and living. So each of us needs to be respect, and to be accept, and to be loved. And second is, we need to be a role model to other people, for us to encourage them and uplift them when they are down, and when they are nothing else to go, and that's all. Thank you.